How to unlink a Rockstar account from your Epic Games. Hello and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. If you want to actually unlink your Rockstar account from Epic's game, there are two things you can do. First of all, go to epics.com and make sure to log in your Epic's game account. Once you log into your Epic game account, you can just click the profile icon and then you'll find an option known as account. Make sure to click on account from Epic's game page. Once you go to the account tab, you'll see an option apps and account. Tap on it, and if you're lucky enough, you'll find the Rockstar game application or account over here. And all you have to do is simply select the account and then you'll be able to find disconnect option. Now, in case you don't see it, what you can do is go to support.rockstargame.com, and once you visit the website, just hit the social club option here, and once you hit it, and after that, just select account linking. Once you select account linking, make sure you enter your social club ID, which is your Rockstar game nickname. In the description box, just let them know that you would like to unlink your Epic Games account from social club. And to be precise, you can also give them your Epic Game email address just to make sure and let them know that this is the account you want to unlink. And after you're done, just hit the submit web ticket option and then you will be able to unlink your Epic Games and social club account. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.